Hello everyone, today we will compare Google Fi and Airalo, two popular mobile service options for travelers. So Google Fi is a mobile service that offers flexible plans with seamless international coverage using multiple networks and Wi-Fi to provide the reliable connectivity around the world. While Airalo is a digital SIM or electronic SIM provider that allows travelers to purchase and use local data plans in various countries, offering an affordable and convenient way to stay connected without needing a physical SIM card. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Google Fi and Airalo, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's talk about the features comparison. So when it comes to service type, Google Fi offers full service mobile carrier with data, calls, and texts, while Airalo offers eSIM focused on international data services. When it comes to network coverage, Google Fi uses T-Mobile, Sprint, and US cellular networks in the US and international coverage in 200 plus countries. While Airalo is have a partnership with local carriers in 190 countries for data coverage. And when we talk about data plans, Google Fi offers flexible and unlimited data plans, while Airalo offers prepaid data-only plans varies by country or regions. When it comes to SIM card type, Google Fi offers physical SIM and electronic SIM, while Airalo offers eSIM only. When it comes to device compatibility, Google Fi works with most unlocked phones including iPhone and Android, while Airalo requires eSIM compatible devices. So when it comes to international roaming, Google Fi is included in most plans at no extra cost, while Airalo requires purchasing a separate eSIM for each country or regions. When it comes to billing and payments, Google Fi have monthly billing, pay-as-you-go for data call and text, while Airalo offers prepaid billing, pay-as-you-go for data plans. And lastly, for additional features, Google Wi-Fi or Google Fi have Wi-Fi calling, free VPN, and integrated with Google services, while Airalo have no additional features and they only focus on affordable data. So yes, that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go to another section, which is the pricing. So when it comes to starting price, Google Fi have flexible plan, which is $20 per month for calls and texts, plus $10 for a gig data. And when it comes to Airalo, so it varies by country or region, and you can get as low as $4.5 per gig. So yes, so when it comes to unlimited plan price, so Google Fi offers it for $50 per month for unlimited data, calls, and text, while Airalo have no unlimited plan price, but data only. And when we talk about the international data, so Google Fi offers it and it is included in their plan, same rates as domestic. While Airalo, they have data only for eSIM and it's starting by $5 for 1 gig. And when it comes to pay as you go, Google Fi offers it for $10 a gig for data and pay per minute for text for calls, while Airalo offers prepaid and pay per specific data amounts. When it comes to additional costs, Google Fi may include taxes and fees, no contracts, while Airalo have one-time cost for electronic SIM and no ongoing fees. And lastly, for device financing, Google Fi is available for compatible devices, while Airalo have no device financing. So yeah. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go to another section, which is the performance. And when it comes to network reliability, Google Fi offers high reliability using multiple carrier of networks, while Airalo, it varies by country and local carrier partnerships. When it comes to their data speed, Google Fi have high-speed data in the US, and the speeds may vary internationally, while Airalo have 4G LTE and it depends on the local networks. When it comes to call quality, Google Fi have high-quality calls over cellular and Wi-Fi, while Airalo, they don't have any voice services, data only. So when it comes to international usability, so Google Fi have seamless international coverage with automatic switching, while Airalo requires manual electronic SIM purchase for each region, as I said earlier. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go to customer support. When it comes to support channels, Google Fi offers 24/7 via chat, phone, and email, while Airalo offers it for email, app support, and social media, but not 24/7. When it comes to response time, Google Fi typically quick when responding, and especially through chat, while Airalo it varies, but generally responsive. When it comes to Help Center, Google Fi have comprehensive online resources and troubleshooting guides, while Airalo have online resources, facts, and troubleshooting. And lastly, for community forums, Google Fi have active Google Fi user community, while Airalo have no dedicated forums. Their support can be found via application. So yes, that's it for the customer support, features, pricing, and performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons, and let's start by discussing Google Fi pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Google Fi have seamless international coverage with automatic network switching. They have flexible data plans that adjust to the usage, and they have a high quality network performance in the US. And lastly, they have 24/7 customer support, so you don't have to worry. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Google Fi can be more expensive for heavy international data use. They have a limited device compatibility, requiring specific phone models. And lastly, they have additional taxes and fees, and it may increase overall cost. So that's it for the Google Fi for pros and cons. So now let's talk about the Airalo pros and cons. When it comes to pros, Airalo have affordable data plans in 190 plus countries. They have convenient electronic SIM and activation and management by application, and they have no contracts for recurring fees. It is a great for short-term use. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Airalo have data-only service, and they have no traditional voice or SMS. Their coverage and performance can vary by country. And lastly, they requires manual electronic SIM management for different destination. So that's it for Airalo pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Google Fi. So Google Fi is referable for someone who needs a comprehensive mobile service with reliable international coverage, including calls, text, and data, and prefers the convenience of automatic network switching across countries. And also someone who values seamless integration with Google services and appreciates the flexibility of pay-as-you-go data plans that adjust to their usage patterns. And lastly, someone who prefers a well-supported service with 24/7 customer support and extensive online resources to assist with any issues, especially when traveling abroad. So that's it. So if you have all of this quality, Google Fi is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Airalo, so Airalo is referable for someone who primarily requires affordable, flexible data while traveling and doesn't need traditional voice or SMS services, making Airalo's data-only plans a perfect fit. Or someone who is comfortable using electronic SIM technology and managing multiple data plans through an app, especially if they frequently travel to different countries. And lastly, someone who seek a cost-effective solution for short-term or occasional trips without the need for long-term contracts or recurring fees, focusing solely on data connectivity. So yes, if you have all of these qualities right here, Airalo is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms provide valuable services for travelers, but they cater to different needs. Google Fi offers a full mobile service with international coverage and seamless integration with Google services, making it ideal for those who need reliable calls, texts, and data across borders. Airalo, on the other hand, is perfect for travelers who need affordable, flexible data-only plans without long-term commitments. So determine your travel needs and choose the service that best fits your lifestyle, whether it's Google Fi's comprehensive mobile service with international coverage or Airalo's flexibility, budget-friendly, and data-only solution. Make your choice today and enjoy a better online experience. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.